So you're the owner of a Telegram group and you're ready to pass the torch to someone else, but you're not quite sure how to safely transfer ownership without a hitch. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make someone else the official owner of your Telegram group with just a few taps, whether you're on Android or iPhone. You'll learn the steps, as well as what little requirements you need to have in place first, so you can exit with confidence and keep your group running smoothly. Let's jump straight in with what you need to check before initiating a transfer. First, you do need to be the actual group creator. If you open your Telegram group info page, you'll see a label next to your name that says Creator. If you don't have that little badge, unfortunately, you can't transfer ownership. You need that level of access. So if that box is ticked, you're good to proceed. Next, you need to decide who gets the reins. The person you want to transfer the group to must already be an admin. That means you can't hand off the group to a regular member directly. They need to have elevated rights. To check this, open the list of admins for your group and make sure the recipient is listed there. If not, spend a moment to add them as an admin first. This extra step is important because Telegram only lets trusted group admins take over, and it's a big part of keeping your group safe from surprises. But we're not done with permissions just yet. There's a little-known requirement that can stump even experienced group owners. Before you can give someone else the group, that person must have the Add New Admins permission enabled in their admin rights. It sounds a bit technical, but this permission is basically Telegram's way of ensuring that you're not handing the group over to someone who might not be ready to fully manage it yet. It's a safety net, and without it, the transfer button simply won't show up. So always double-check their admin permissions before you proceed. For your security, Telegram might also ask that you've been logged into your Telegram account for at least 24 hours on your current device. This is just an extra step Telegram uses to guard against unauthorized ownership changes. So if a new device was just set up today, you may need to wait until the next day to complete the transfer. Don't worry if you see the option isn't there right away, just give it a bit more time and you'll be ready to go. Now let's walk through the actual process on your phone. It's almost identical on Android and iPhone. Start by opening the Telegram app and navigating straight to the group you own. Tap on the group's name at the very top of your screen. This opens up the group info or profile page where all your group settings live. Look for the pencil icon, usually up in the corner, then tap it to enter the edit or management settings. You'll see an option labeled Administrators. Tap that to bring up the list of everyone who currently helps you manage the group. Now select the admin you want to promote as the new owner. You'll be taken to their admin permissions screen. Here, double-check one more time that the Add New Admins toggle is enabled. If it's not, flip it on so the transfer can go through. At the very bottom of the screen, and only if all the boxes we discussed are checked, you'll see a button labeled Transfer Group Ownership. This is the moment of truth. Go ahead and tap it. Telegram will pop up a final confirmation window, letting you know about the change and what it means. Read this carefully, then confirm the transfer. As soon as you confirm, ownership transfers instantly. The other person officially becomes the group's new creator with full control, and you become a regular admin or member depending on your settings. You can always stick around and help manage things or step back whenever you wish. And that's it. Transferring ownership on Telegram is straightforward once you know where to look. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or hit any snags during your transfer, leave a comment below. I check them all and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.